Hello, I'm in a 2013 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how to change your time, should you need to. So first you want to make sure the vehicle's on, which it currently is, and then the radio also on, which that turns it on. And we'll go to menu, and then the touchscreen, the system setup, and then as you need to, go to time, misclicked, time, and then if this isn't displayed, it's because you have this open, so which is nice if you have this feature, because then it just auto sets everything. But we'll go to user time, so we can manually adjust the hours if needed, the minutes, if daylight savings currently happening or not, which it's not right now. Set your time zone depending on where you might be, and that's it. And then it just saves as you go when you hit the save button. So I hope that was helpful today. And then this here too, if you remember how we started the video and it showed the time, if you don't like that for some reason, you can just turn that off. But that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.